hardest lesson you've learned in your growth? What made you nervous in your development as a real estate investor?
I can name you several. I don't mind the question.
I thought that was
also.
a question that you thought was too personal.
I don't mind. No, when you're transparent, you don't care about questions. And no, I had several that were very tough. When I was involved with the con artist, the con guy in Dallas, it was horrible experience. Horrible.
What did you learn from that?
First of all, I learned to be assertive,
right,
which I was not before that. And I came also with the way we used to do business in Mexico, which was completely different than here, where a handshake was worth more than 20 contracts.
Right.
Here, when you have a guy like that, that does not work. If you're with somebody good, like we have some good partners, it doesn't matter. But when you're with a bad guy, that definitely doesn't work.
Yeah.
So I learned a lot with him. I learned a lot. I forgot to mention, when I was together with Murray in Dallas, I learned a lot with him. Bad experiences, I've had them big time, son. When we lost the bank in Mexico, it was almost like losing a family member. The recession in Dallas, when I had to close the dealership in Dallas. I mean, I can tell you many, many times where it was hard. But you learn, what I've always thought is every time you go through hard times or hard things happen to you, you can either grow or you can collapse. I'm a fighter. So I'm the mentality that the bad experience will teach me and I will grow.
Yeah. Well, you did teach me that.
Good.
What are your 3 key daily habits that you do that keep you sort of, that you feel have contributed to your success?
Love your mom. Truly. I am very blessed with my marriage. We met, she was 14 and I was 16. And I try just, again, to be sincere, to be transparent, to be upfront with everybody and try to do the best that I can and be careful. I'm very, very much into safety, Sam.
Yeah. Because
of the experiences that I went through. Very much into safety. And it's more important for me to be safe and not to lose the principle than, again, to be the wealthiest guy in the graveyard.
Right. Okay. Okay. Is there any last sort of advice that you would give people who are trying to invest and looking for real estate opportunities?
Be careful who you invest with and try to invest with the people that have the same philosophy as you have. Like we had partners who have invested with us that have exactly the same philosophy as we do. And that's about it. Be careful because there's a lot of bad stuff out there.
Okay.
So be very, very careful. And I just want to say that I'm very proud of you, son.
Thank you. I'm very proud of you, Dad. And that fighting stuff, you taught me to like it too. So it's always a fun journey to grow and to just navigate those choices. So, okay. Well, thank you. That's a wrap. Come meet us over at signetinvestments.com. There you'll have access to our full podcast and articles archives. Also, if you subscribe there, you'll get new updates sent straight to your inbox. You can also find us across all social media platforms. Our handle is Signet Investing. Thank you and invest wisely.